as soon as we add blue with red, which color are we getting? We are getting violet color. As soon as we add blue with yellow, you all can guess which color we are getting. Yes, it is green in color. Hello everyone, today we are going to do a simple experiment to explore new colors within the boundaries of classroom. This is a fun experiment that children will love to do, and at the same time they will explore new colors. Let us start with the experiment. We need 3 glasses, colors, brush and water. So let us start the experiment. First I am going to pour water. First I am going to use primary colors. So red is one of our primary colors. Good amount of color has to be added. So first is red, next we have blue, and we have yellow. Now I will add with red yellow color. So 2 primary colors if added together will give us a new secondary color. So red is already there, I am using yellow color. Can you guess which color it is? When we mix red and yellow together, we get orange color. Next we are going to add red color with blue color, and let us see which color we get. So as soon as we add blue with red, which color are we getting? We are getting violet color. So red plus yellow is orange, blue plus red is violet, and now we are going to add blue color with yellow color. And as soon as we add blue with yellow, you all can guess which color we are getting. Yes, it is green in color. So with this simple experiment, we can get secondary colors. First is red plus yellow, it is orange, blue plus red, it is violet, and last it is yellow plus blue, it is green. This fun experiment inside the classroom is great for children to explore new colors. Thank you.